Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Renee here again, where I transform, create, DIY and decorate. Today's video is a bit different. I am challenged to do a shop with me video, not spending no more than $50 US. That equivalent to Jamaican dollars would be around 6,000 something or $7,000. So they asked me to shop home decor stuff and also stuff that I can DIY. Please stick around to the end of this video. I might do an haul with the stuff that I have received. So let's head on downtown Kingston and see what we get. So heading into Bashco downtown Kingston on Orange Street, which was my first stop, these chairs for $75 caught my eyes. I like the shape of them, I like the design in them, I like that you can use them as a little accent chair, you can use them as an office chair, you can use them on your balcony, wherever you decide. If you're having an event, you can use them as well. So if you're looking for chairs for your patio or your balcony or to decorate outside or something, Bashco has some nice chairs you can come and select from. They also have some ballroom chairs that you can choose from. So it's a good deal here. I also noticed that they have a large selection of baking trays, roasters, ceramic bowls, containers, and here, wow, look at this nice oval bowl. This one you can serve your sauce in. You can come and select a wide range of ceramics here. They have nice sauce trays as well. They have a wide selection of designed bowls you can use as a decorative piece if you have an event or so. So you can come on down to Bashco and get your wide selection of trays and ceramic bowls and so on. They also have these nice square plates as well that you can serve at a party or so. Also these nice bowls for only $370. These are awesome deals. You can get, whoa, they also have colored plates. So if you're a person that wants to add a little color to your decor, you can always come and choose some colored plates as well. These prices are not bad at all. They have prices from $170 up on plate, so you can come and get nice design plates. They have nice dishes as well, crystal dishes. These are great for gifts. Christmas is coming up. You can stock up on some of these to give as a gift. My mother, she would love these as well. She loves containers, and I know many of us as well struggle with containers as well. We always gifting and not getting them back. These bowls as well, I think I'm going to take two of these cream one. I have a DIY that I think I want to do with them, so I'm going to grab a set of two for that, and it's only $170 for it. These tray as well, they can use they can spray paint as well and use on coffee table, so you can come on down. These plates as well are nice. I think I can do a DIY with this as well. I'm gonna grab two of these. Please remember to stick around at the end of this video so I can show you what I got and the prices for them and the total I spent. Containers galore here, and these are rubber made containers as well. These are great for storing your leftover food. They are great to stock food if you are prepping meal for a week. They're also great as gifts as well. So if you're prepping meal for a week or so on to carry lunch, there are containers here for you. If you are a tea or coffee drinker, you will love their mug section as well. They have all different color mug, all different sizes mug. They have different shape, different design, different texture mugs. You will love this section. They have a wide variety of mugs as well, as low as $150, maybe even less. So you can come and get your mugs here as well. They have different sizes, different colors, different shapes. Also, they have wine glasses as well. They have nice shaped glasses. They have shot glasses. They have different shape ice cream glass. They have a wide variety. I like this one here as well. The design of it is not bad. You want to have a little drink, you can just drink. They have igloos as well, so if you're out for an event or partying, they have a wide variety, variety of sizes and colors as well. If you're looking for frying pans, they have different sizes frying pans as well, non-stick and different brands. So you can come and check out their frying pan section as well. Heading to the storage area, if you're looking for shoe rack, I did a recent video on dorm room stuff you need. You can come here and get your shoe rack as well to store under your bed, closet, fold up closet. If you're decorating an office area as well, they have these nice drawers for only $1,200 up. They have different sizes in them. They are pretty good. And heading to my section that I really came here for, which I was a bit disappointed, frames. They didn't have the size frames that I need to put my art in, but I'm gonna grab one or two of these. I'm a bit disappointed, I wanted more, but they have different art prints frames as well that you can come and grab. Heading into the towel section, I like that they had a wide variety of bright colors. They didn't have much black and gray and white, but they had a lot of colors to choose from here. They had purple, they had turquoise, they had blue, but if you're looking for a little color to put in your bathroom, you can always come here and get some colors here. They didn't have a wide variety of neutral colors to choose from. And I should say as well, after editing this video, I saw Shauna K, she's a Jamaican YouTuber as well, did a tour at the Bashco in Mandeville, and it seemed like they had more stuff than the one in Kingston. So guess what, if you want to go on to Mandeville to get some stuff, you can head on there, or the Bashco in Kingston needs some more stuff in Kingston. So curtains, sheets, comforters, I saw a few stuff, nothing that really grabbed my eye, but they have a wide variety of colors and sizes as well to choose from. I didn't see much cushion covers. I was looking for some cushion covers and cushions as well, and I didn't see much design as well. So you can head on down to Bashco and see what you get here. After I left Bashco, I saw this Wholesale. It's JNU Distributors. Why we call it Wholesale? It's a bit different from stores. Here you have to order over the counter. When I entered, I saw that they sell party stuff, cushions. They had some nice decorative cushions as well that you can use as accent pieces. They had rugs, they had outdoor mats as well. They had larger size rugs, and they are at good prices. Like the larger size rugs were like 4,500. These smaller size were like 1,200. So this is the final stop. This one is Decor. That's the name of this Wholesale. This one has like decors, vase, frames. Some of the color don't like them. They seem a bit what should I say, cheap. So you can come here, you can get stuff, spray paint them. They have wall sconces, they have lighting. They have different stuff here. They have electronics and so on, so you can come and see what you like. I would purchase these and maybe as a use them as a DIY, spray paint them and so on. So I'm going to head on home now and show you the stuff that I purchased and the total I spent. Hey guys, I hope you like what you saw downtown and all, and I'm here to share the stuff that I picked up and how much I spent in total. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing that I got were these plastic buckets. They are so flexible. I think it can use for so many things. First, the print on this can be used like if you're doing a farmhouse theme or a boho theme. This one can work great for you. It can work with anything based on how you decorate your space. So this one you can put it at your sofa, at the side of your sofa with blankets. I got two colors. I got this as well. I like the print on these. I was planning to spray paint it, but I don't think I might spray paint it. I really like the colors. What I might do, I might have to go back to get extras, but this is really good. It can store, if you have baby, it can store baby toys in them or children toys. It can also store the dirty clothes or dirty stuff for the baby for laundry. I think it can use if you're going on a beach or a picnic. You can put some stuff in it and it's nice. I think I like it for $497, which is roughly say about $2 US, somewhere around there. It's pretty good. I like them. The next thing I got was this decanter. It's 250 Jamaican dollars, and what I like about it is I'm going to use it as a vase. I don't really serve liquor like that or anything, so I might just use it as a vase, as our decor piece. I might DIY it, do something with it, so you can look out for that video. I like it. 250 Jamaican dollars, not bad. Also, I picked up two of these plates. I don't know what I might do with them as yet, but I like the geometric shape in them. I like the crystal look. I might do a DIY with them as well, so you can look out for that video. I like them. Enough of them for 167 Jamaican dollars, so just say like $1 US for one. Yeah, so I think, you know what I think as well, I might do a challenge where I shop stuff for $1 US, which is around 150 or 140, somewhere around there. I might do a video on that one, so tell me if you'd like to see a video on that as well. But I got these two plates as well. Also, I saw this set of bowl. Let me see how much I paid for it. It's $120. It's $120 for the set of two. I picked it up because I know a DIY I want to do with them, but differently. These bowls are good for serving soup or porridge or so in them. It's a pretty nice bowl. They came in the green as I showed you at Bashco, and $120. I'm going to do a DIY with it as well. These I picked up at one of the Wholesales. Yeah, they call them Wholesale. The video that I showed you where they had the cage with the pillows and so on it, yeah, those are Wholesale in Jamaica. So I picked up this as well. I got it for like $350. It was what, $500, but you know, a girl have to bargain, so I asked the young man to give it to me for that price, and I got it for $350. It's a pampas grass. I don't really see much, and at Bashco I was expecting more at Bashco, especially for example these. I picked these up at Bashco as well. Frames, I really wanted some nice frames, and I got one of this. And also I was looking really for some larger sizes. I only saw printed frames, but I wanted frames that I can put my art in them, and I wanted some larger size frames. So I got this one for, this one is for $450. $450? Yes, I got this one for $450, and I got this one for $170. So $450 and $170. Well, the challenge was shopping on a budget, and I saw this as well. It's what they call it. I don't even know what they call it, but it's one of those decorative piece. Wow. I got it when I stopped at, is Monarch Pharmacy. Yeah, Monarch Pharmacy, that is in Half-a-Tree. So when I came up, I saw this on a special for $1,200. So just say that is around $10 US. So I think it's a pretty good deal. I might spray paint it because this color not going to match my decor. But let me know what you think about it, if this is a deal. Yeah, $1,200 I got it for, or $1,200 or $1,400, somewhere around here. But $10 US. I'm going to show you where I got it. I'm going to put the video here. I got these as well. I was passing one of those stalls on the roadside, and I saw the lady put out some stuff, and seeing that they challenged me to get some stuff I can DIY, I got these frames in total for $450. I got the large one for $150, and these for $300. $450, yes, right. So I got these for $100 each, yeah, which is less than $1 US. So see there, she said the glass breaks, so she gave me them. And then these were actually sizes I were looking for in Bashco. This size, it's a A3, so it's one of the larger size print. I might spray paint edge, or I might leave this gold edge. I like it, and I'm going to do a DIY with this as well, so you can look out for that video. And last but not least, what I received, you guys said shop on a budget. This wasn't from downtown either. I got this from Photo Express, that is Premier Plaza in Half-a-Tree. And because you said I should shop on a budget, I saw these two. See the prices on it still. Let me see if you can see the price. Let me know if you see the price. I got these two for $1,100. Because I plan to do a black and white theme with a pop of yellow, I decided that I couldn't leave it. I really like them. And I'm going to go back to the store, the JNU distribution store. I'm going to go back there to get some of those cushions. The cushions there as well were $1,800 for a pair. They are lovely and pretty good as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and also let me know where would you want me to carry you next to shop. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.